A temporary pause in the ongoing tensions between the United States and Iran appears to be underway following signals of a 2-week ceasefire agreement. The development came after US President Donald Trump indicated a willingness to suspend military actions provided certain conditions are met. One of the key conditions includes the reopening of the strategically vital Strait of Hormuz, a critical maritime route through which a significant portion of the world's oil supply passes. The situation gained further diplomatic momentum when Shehbaz Sharif, Prime Minister of Pakistan, appealed to Trump to extend the negotiation timeline and urged Iran to ensure full reopening of the waterway. This step highlights growing international concern, especially among energy dependent nations like India. In a parallel statement, Iran's Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi confirmed that Tehran would halt its defensive operations if attacks against Iran are completely stopped. Speaking on behalf of Iran's Supreme National Security Council, he emphasized that Iran's armed forces would cease operations under these conditions. Araghchi also stated that safe passage through the Strait of Hormuz would be maintained for 2 weeks in coordination with Iranian forces, though he cautioned about possible technical limitations. This ceasefire marks a significant but fragile pause in hostilities. Its continuation will depend heavily on both sides adhering strictly to the agreed conditions. For India, especially cities like Bengaluru with strong economic ties to global markets, stability in oil supply routes like the Strait of Hormuz remains critically important. The key question now is whether this temporary ceasefire can lead to broader negotiations or if tensions will escalate again after the 2-week window.